Hey guys, this is Hisham from Exodius Auto Protection, and here we have this brand new Toyota 4Runner. I believe this is the TRD off-road, not just a regular 4Runner, and we are doing full colored paint protection film on this. The color that we'll be doing on this 4Runner is called Unicorn's Blood by PPF. It's this crazy green, purple, turquoise, like insane pearlescent. It's color shifting at the same time. You look at it from one side, it's green. It does look really crazy, and it has black, so it's definitely an interesting combo of colors. The customer originally wanted just regular full gloss PPF on there. When she came in, she saw all the colored PPF options and she was instantly sold. She was like, heck yeah, I want to do this. You know, same benefits, just color. She likes this color, but she wanted to go with something crazy. She knew her grandkids would love it, so she really wanted to get that. The vehicle just came in a little bit ago, so we haven't even had the time to get it fully prepped up. The next few steps that we're gonna be doing and what we'll kind of take you along with, we're gonna be doing a full prep wash on the vehicle. It's gonna get a full decon, clay bar, basically everything we can to make sure that the surface is as clean as possible. Then we're gonna get into the disassembly. We're gonna be removing the window trims, the badges. We're gonna do a fair bit of disassembly, the door handles. A lot of things are going to be coming off. That way we can make sure there's no seams, anything like that. Everything is covered properly. That way you're not seeing any of this original blue color, this beautiful blue, which it does hurt to cover up, but I think the finished product is going to look insane and honestly a little bit better than the blue. We'll catch you guys in the next part once the vehicle is ready to have film applied to it, and we'll show you guys what that color looks like. Maybe we'll do a surprise reveal. Maybe we'll make the video all black and white, so you guys can't tell until the end when we finally show what Unicorn's Blood looks like. So last time you guys saw the car, it was as we got it. It wasn't even prepped, it wasn't washed, it wasn't disassembled. The car's been fully prepped, clay barred, iron decon. We went through the full process, and we also went through the full disassembly process. So door handles came off, the plastic fender flares, the side mirrors, you know, these trims over here. We try to do as much disassembly as needed, but never more than what we need to do. So, you know, we keep it at a fine line of things where we need to disassemble it to get it to a good finish, but never an unnecessary amount where, you know, if we can make space to tuck it in without having to take it off, we will always do that. The least amount of disassembly is the best amount of disassembly. Hey guys, so we're back with the second part to the Toyota 4Runner full color PPF. As you can see, we do have the hood and the passenger side door laid now. I don't know how it looks from your guys' view, but from my side, it's this insane kind of like, not trifecta, but you know, whatever, a four-fecta, quadfecta, whatever you want to call it. It is an insane combination of colors. We have, you know, turquoise, blue, green, purple. We have all sorts of colors going on. So definitely looking very interesting. Working with this film, it is more difficult than working with gloss film or just regular clear PPF, but I think it is worth every single bit of that effort because you get these insane results. And the benefit to color PPF over vinyl wrap is that this looks like paint. Instead of vinyl wrap where, you know, the gloss, it has a lot of orange peel, texture, a lot of almost downsides, cons. The color PPF gets rid of all of those. It has this crazy pigment, crazy gloss, and it just looks so much more like paint. So we're slowly gonna go through the vehicle. We're gonna start completing more and more panels as the week kind of progresses. But for now, these are the two panels, you know, kind of finished up. We'll get some shots of these to show you guys how it looks like. So stay tuned. We're definitely gonna show you how this thing kind of progresses. Hey guys, so we are back with the finale or the final part of the 4Runner kind of progression. The vehicle is fully completed. Everything head to toe is kind of wrapped in that Unicorn's Blood PPF by PPF. It looks insane. Everybody that drives by it has been staring at it, but we really went to the maximum ends and odds to make sure that every single edge that would be possible to wrap could be wrapped. So you can see the front bumper, which is very, very difficult on these vehicles, is fully done, and the rest of it is fully done as well. We've reassembled the vehicle, we've put back the badges, so now we're just waiting on the vehicle to get picked up. But I think the customer is gonna be really, really excited when she sees this car. So let's get some B-roll of this. if you guys are looking to get anything similar done to your vehicle, whether it's, you know, colored paint protection film, regular PPF, or even a vinyl wrap, please give us a call or fill out the form online for a free quote. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you.